going to head over to Warsaw today on the bikes, enjoy a little ride around the lake, and we're going to show Frank Woodzman from Woodzwing Adventures and his bride Sherry the Warsaw Dam, and let you guys come along with us. Please comment below on my video if you would. Hit that like button, that subscribe button, if you want to be notified of more content coming out.
Yep. Frank back there is rocking the Phantom helmet today. We got our Sena Impulses. Sherry's got a Phantom helmet as well.
Yep.
I really like these helmets. Getting to communicate, getting to communicate back and forth, just like you said back here. I was able to let you know there was gravel on the road.
Exactly. I made a video once called Sena Saves Lives, and it does.
Yep.
I guarantee you they could save your life.
I agree.
But yeah, instead of trying to take your hand or your foot and point at something, and by the time that they figure out what's going on, it's too late.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, it's happened too many times. They're pointing, you don't know what they're pointing at.
Yeah.
Or if there's a deer in the road ditch,
Yeah.
they can jump at any time.
Just like that, yeah. They work good.
Yeah, I wish we would have had our little, so we lost them in the fire, the little headset that we got for the bikes. I wish we would have had them that time at Rogers when we were riding the bicycle, because I turned my head back to talk to Frank, and I got off the side of the concrete, flipped my bike, and hurt myself. We would have had the headgear on, I wouldn't have had to done that.
Yeah, we got the Sena bicycle helmets.
Another turtle bob.
Yep.
He's a baby
Oh, he's
bob.
baby.
He's a baby bob.
He's just a little one.
He's a baby bob.
So all those turtles named Bob?
Yep.
Oh, even the females?
Yep.
Bombay.
Yep.
One time when I lived in Oklahoma, I found such a small little sunshine turtle. I was able to stuff him, the old glass Pepsi bottles and stuff.
Yeah.
I got him to fit down into the top of the bottle, and I was trying to save him. And we come back home, because I had him sitting outside on the porch. Well, the bottle was tipped over, and the turtle was on.
He escaped.
Yeah, but what I couldn't figure out for the longest time was, how did the bottle get flipped over? I figured it out many years later. Our dad tipped it over so he could get out.
Yeah, because he was just going to die.
Yeah, he would have died in the pop bottle, but that was just how tiny he was.
That's pretty tiny even down at home bottle.
Yeah, especially with those little necks that they had,
Yeah.
back then.
Cool. Dave has 3 daughters, and his middle daughter, he said, is more of the animal lover, which they all do, but he made the comment that he bought some goldfish to go fishing with. She got mad at him. She went down to the dock and she turned them all loose. He got down there to go fishing, and they were all gone. The lid was open or whatever, and she goes, I saved them. So we've seen some big ones as big as those big carps. We see them. We say, there's one of Maddie's goldfish.
That's funny.
There could be gravel in this corner here.
Yeah, there is.
Looks like there is.
It's not as bad as it normally is.
Ooh, big rocks though.
Yep.
Yeah. John, you need to get you a bush deck trailer like I got.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I got a surprise for you. I got one at home.
You need to get you a portable fridge.
I got me one of those too. See the little goats?
Goats.
Oh, look at the babies.
You can get you a jackery and a solar panel or whatever.
Yep, got me one of those too, buddy.
Oh my goodness.
I've even got a tent. And I've got all that stuff in that trailer ready to hook up and go.
Loaded.
Yep.
You need to get you an iPhone and a watch.
Hey, look at here. I got one right here. I'll show it on my camera. I got me a brand new iPhone watch. Got something in the road.
Apple computer.
Yeah, I even bought me an Apple computer that way, or a Mac computer that way I can start editing videos like a real person.
Yeah.
Are you actually going to edit them, or are you going to just keep throwing them up?
Oh no, I've been working on editing them.
No, he is. Yeah, he did good.
You just haven't seen me do it since you've been here.
He kept up the nonsense.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Sometimes at the end of the video, I might roll some nonsense. You know, like people emptying my gas can and making me think I have gas in my can to fill my tank.
Oh, who would do that?
It's been known to happen.
That was funny.
Yeah.
Oh.
I thought, well, I'll just make it look like I really filled the tank up. I can tell my wife's squirming.
Yep, I'd have a drink.
Was that a Yamaha?
I can't even tell.
That looked like it.
I don't know.
I think it was a Yamaha.
This
Hammer,
the
hammer?
elves don't like. The elves don't like it.
Yeah, the hammer.
Yeah.
That used to call it Andy.
Yeah. You need to call it Comanche.
Yeah.
I'd say there goes somebody on one of those Comanches.
Yep.
Yamaha makes good bikes.
Which one's the best, Frank? Honda or Harley?
Honda. Well, Honda.
I don't really like to comment that. I just like Honda the best myself.
That's just our opinion. We like Hondas.
Yeah.
We've had a Suzuki. We've had a Yamaha before.
Yeah.
What was that thing that was like the fast, like almost like a crotch rocket, but it wasn't actually a crotch rocket? What was that thing? Is that the Suzuki?
Yeah. Katana.
Yeah.
I've had pretty much everything except I've never owned a Harley, but I've never had an interest in a Harley.
I even had a Bull Taco one time.
Yeah, I never had none of those. I never had an Indian or a Mako or none of that stuff. Never had a KTM or never had a Husqvarna. Oh, I did have a Husqvarna, yeah. 2-stroke 250.
Yeah.
Dirt bike.
Stay there, buddy. Sherry, what do you think of our little dragon's tail?
Not too bad so far. I mean, it's
We're
not
not-
super curvy.
Yeah, I'm dragging no tail.
No.
See the deer?
There goes a deer.
Yep.
There's two of them.
Dang it, I missed it. I looked up the other way. But my rear end's not dragging yet. Yeah, it's a full nice day. They're going to be out moving around a lot today.
Oh, yeah.
her phone.
Yep, I saw it.
Not paying attention.
I let off just a pinch, just in case.
So you found your phone?
No, the girl was on her phone. Pulled out. That's right.
And then sitting in the highway in that white vehicle.
See that old house back in there? That's that old Salem Asylum, or whatever.
The crazy house?
Yeah, the one that burned. The little lady was living.
That's where John was born.
I might have been conceived there, I don't know.
Yeah.
Although I think I was probably conceived at a movie theater.
Oh my.
TMI.
You know how our parents were that generation.
Yeah. Them drive-ins.
Skunk. Okay, no dog.
That's
I don't know
dog.
what it was.
Woo! Hey, I don't smell it.
I think
I'm
it was
expecting a smell.
I think it was a dog.
Fresh kill, ain't stinking yet.
Good thing you said we're coming home the other way. What are you doing there, buddy? Don't even try
Not
it.
supposed to be.
I can't believe people, they do that. They get up there and want to pull out in front of you.
They make you nervous, yeah.
What irritates me is when they pull up there and they're stopped, and then when you get close to them, they kind of lunge forward a little bit.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's like, what are you doing? I mean, you're making me think you're going to pull out, and I slam my brakes on. People are in such a hurry, they got to get out there and get going. I mean, move it.
I think it's a combination of that. And sometimes I think it's people who don't like motorcycles, so they want to try to scare you
Maybe.
because they're being dum-dums
The people that don't like motorcycles, I think they're jealous.
because they can't ride one.
I've been here before.
Yes, sir?
Yep.
All right, Frank, you gotta slow down. This is town.
Yeah, John. This is where we came and got your laptop?
No, sir?
No. This is versailles, but by GPS it says Versailles.
Or no, that,
No, that. You see pretty much it. There's a little that way.
But
They do have a Walmart and McDonald's.
But the main thing about this town is, do they have a Dollar General?
Yes, sir.
Yes, they
Oh, I'm
do.
sure they do.
Sweet.
They may even have two.
There's the
Not complete.
Morgan County Courthouse.
Not complete without a Dollar General.
They got a Dollar Tree also.
Unless they have a one out.
And a theater.
It still shows movies.
You notice how I stopped at both those signs and you run them both?
I run them both.
You, what?
Eggs and brews.
You did run them both.
Yeah, I said I run them both.
That's what I said, yeah.
I do the
Go.
roll and stop go.
Yeah, the rolling stop, yeah.
California stop.